10K. We got email that states, I have been going to readings. Let me read this again. I have been going to readings and have spent over $5,000 in the past month. I don't have the money. Can you please help me? I have black magic on me, and my relationships and all this stuff is going on. Wait a minute. And my relationships and all this stuff is going on. Please, I beg of you. I am an honest person and need help, as I am exhausted from my money spent. Wow. All right, number one, let's clear the table. You never worked with us before. Now, that's sad. Well, we can say that. That's this. Well, that's what you did inside of life. You kept running and doing different things. First thing, you need to shut your mouth, not you, but everybody else that's talking to you. Someone's charging you $25, and that's nice, and different things, but you really got to look at it. So you need to quiet down a lot of different stuff. Now, I didn't read the letter fully. I kept you a little private because you mentioned people's names, who you went to, and all this other stuff, and you said to read it and to post it. That's not what we're about. We're about helping you. So your spirit is troubled, and you're looking at evil instead of seeing no evil. You can't come into a new beginning. You can't. You need to quiet the mouth. You need to quiet the meaning. Also, later on, you state, I am a devoted Catholic and God is my only strength. So then why are you writing that? See, your body is confused also. It doesn't mean you're not going through what you're going through, but it's the intention and everything else. So, what do you need? You need some help to really work through what you're going through. We're not your doctors. We're not your psychologists. We're just here with 10K Yuj Tarot. See, what you can't see can hurt you the most, but sometimes if it's you and a delusion of others, your reality becomes chaos. So, anybody that's going through this right now, we get it a lot. Someone says, well, you're too much money. I spent money with someone else and that's nice. But now you're coming to us. So your problem wasn't solved. And it's really up to you to walk through and understand where your problems are and how you're going to solve them, and also to be neutral. So everyone, if you're going through this, let's just be silent. Be silent. Be silent. Breathe. Take time. Take time to breathe. Let go of everything you think. everything that you think is harming you. Tell yourself you love yourself. Tell yourself, I am ready for the big change that's coming. It's here. It's here. 10K Yuj Tarot. Many blessings, everyone.